Hi, I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo and Associates. Well, we have made it to the end of 2021, and I just want to take a minute and say thank you. Thank you to all of our clients, all of our referral sources, and everybody who is a part of our lives. We would not be where we are without you, so thank you. Thank you very, very much. We also wanted to announce that for 2022, we are going to be doing all in live person events. So we will not be doing the virtual events starting in 2022. Certainly they served a great purpose, and we are grateful that we had the opportunity to do the virtual for as long as we did. But we are finding that people are definitely ready to get back in person, and people are kind of commenting on the evals that they don't get nearly as much out of the virtual events as they do the live events. So our events are going to be live for 2022. We do, however, have links to professionally recorded and branded workshops. So the same workshops that you're going to see live, we will have recorded and we'll be able to send to you starting in 2022 so that you can watch in the comfort of your home. On demand, I guess, is maybe the best way to say it. So if you prefer to not come in person for any reason, that is not a problem. We will be able to send you a link to be able to watch a recorded event. Otherwise, all of our events will be live in person. We look forward to seeing you, interacting, being able to ask questions. For those of you who want to stay home, no sweat. We will still be offering those links to watch. And also, we will be still doing appointments via Zoom if that is your preference. We are certainly more than happy to accommodate that as well. So we look forward to seeing everyone in 2022, one way or another, whether it's in person or via Zoom. We look forward to seeing everybody. Thank you.